All right, guys. Yeah, welcome back again. And if you are a return subscriber to my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome, and I thank you guys for still staying behind. I love you guys. And if you are coming across this YouTube channel, kindly make sure you hit that subscription button and like and share to those who you think might want to have this video. So I'll be talking briefly on how you can turn your Facebook profile into a professional mode. Of recently, Facebook just bring these activities on Facebook on how you can just try to turn your professional profile to a professional dashboard, which will be in form of profile, where you have the opportunity to turn all your friends to your followers. And the most beautiful part of this thing is you can easily use this professional dashboard to earn from Facebook, in the sense that in you posting more videos, more reels on your timeline, the more you reach more audience, the more opportunity and chances for you to earn money with Facebook. And the more benefit for this thing is you can easily promote others products when you have a lot of viewers. Do you get it? So in a very quick one, all what you want to do is to log in. But this is a Facebook account, and what you want to do is either you log in to your browser or you use the Facebook app. It's still the same thing. So here is this profile. You can see that this is a profile, and this is what it looks like before now. This guy is having 2,300 friends on Facebook. So we are going to be turning these friends into followers. And you know what followers means. Whenever you post a helpful content or you post any good thing about your products and your services, they are going to be seeing it, and they are going to be liking your page. And once you have been able to reach thousands of followers, Facebook will start paying you, all in form of, they just want to do it like TikTok and YouTube. Do you get it? So but you will have to, this where you are seeing reels here, this is where you are going to be creating your reels. So the more you create reels and likes, they will once Facebook realize that people are watching your reels and your short videos, they will start producing, they will start giving you star. I don't know if you have come across where you are watching a video and you see star. They will tell you to send that people star. It simply means that once you are watching that video and you are enjoying the content that that person is producing, it is easy for Facebook to let you pay that person. So once you send a star, you'll be sending money to that person's account. So that is how those people makes money. When you see star in the down button of the video you are watching on Facebook, so once you send star to them, it will come to their dashboard directly. So in a very quick one, all this haven't been said, you can see that this is a normal Facebook profile post. And let me click on this three dotted arrow here, and I click on this view as a visitor. You see that this is what this page really looks like to the public. Let's assume you search for this name. This is what you are going to be seeing over here. You can see that these are what you are going to be seeing over here. Do you see all this? So now what we want to do, let me cancel this. What we want to do now is to turn this profile to a professional mode. Do you get it? So it is less in few minutes. So what you want to do is just to come back here, click on this arrow, then you scroll down here. You can see that turn on professional mode. Do you get it? So you just click on it. Once you click on it, these are what you are going to be getting. All right. So let me read and explain what this means. Now, turn on professional mode. add new tools to your profile so that you can grow as a creator on Facebook. Now, the first option is get paid for your content. Now, you can read this that if you are eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content. Now, Facebook will pay you on the content you pay once you have a lot of followers, and people will also pay you for that product. Do you get it? Now, secondly, you see content insights. Learn more about your audience and see how well your content is performing. You are going to be seeing a lot of people this content is reaching on a daily basis. Do you get it? And the last one is see more people follow you. You'll be able to see the followers that they are following you as you are uploading your daily products on this professional mode. So all what you want to do now is to click on turn on. So let's wait for this. You can see right here that it tells me to finish this dashboard, and this is what it looks like. What you want to do is to click here, which is add details about yourself. Once you click on it, you fill in your profile here. You fill in everything here. Then once you are done, you click on save, and I don't want to do that now, so I go back. And the next thing you want to do again is to click on your bio. What your profile is all about. Do you sell content? Are you a digital creator or a freelancer or a whatever it is that you do? Just write it here in a very short form. Do you get it? So once you are done with all this profile setup, then you are good to go. So I click on back. So you can see automatically right now that I have over 2.40k followers on Facebook. Do you get it? So this is how this thing works on professional dash mode. With this now, your friends are tons to your follower, and each of every time you upload a Facebook or a content on Facebook, it will reach over 2.4 followers and more, because your content will be in public. Do you get it? So now let me see what your dashboard really looks like. Or if you want to view or learn more about this professional mode, all what you want to do is to click on this view guides. So these are guides concerning the professional mode. So let's quickly, I don't want this video to be a very long one, so let's just quickly look at all this one after the other. Now, Facebook says your profile now as professional tools, so you can grow as a creator. Get to know professional mode. Now, the first thing about this is what professional mode is all about. You can see it right here that this is what it means. You grow your audience, you become a creator, and get discovered. People get to discover more about your product, and that's the first thing. And the second thing is new way to monetize. You can monetize your product, and once you monetize your dashboard, your Facebook professional mode, they will start paying you immediately. Do you get it? And friends and follower, do you see it? You have access to you have over 2.4 followers on Facebook, which are your friends. So if you want to view them, you can just click on followers. These are my followers, guys, and these are the people I'm following. You can see. So that is how it works. And the next thing is insights. You can see the insights here. When you said learn more about audience trends, including age and location, and quickly see your top performing content, the product you are uploading, how they are performing, the people they've reached since you posted them, and those people who have take actions and likely to take actions. So why professional mode is turned on, and the post audience must always be set to public. Whatever product you want to sell, you want to reach, so you must set it as public, so people will be able to see it. And when you have at least over 100 followers, you are not also friends, you will also learn more about your audience. I hope you get it. So now the next thing is safety and well-being. This is the moderation assist that can help you to manage what your conversation appears on your profile. So you can see it and just play around with it, guys. And the next thing you want to do is to see dashboard. You can see what your dashboard really looks like. So let me go through this. So this is what your dashboard looks like, and you can see that these are tools that you can try. Do you get it? So the first one is moderation assist. Let me click on it. You can see that these are the moderation comments. Maybe someone comments on your profile, you want to moderate it and stuff like that. So you can just play around with it. You click on let's go and all that. And the next thing you want to do is stars. This is stars. This is where Facebook send stars to your audience, your followers. Okay, but there are criteria for this, and these are the criteria. You must have over 1,000 followers for 60 consecutive days. Do you get it? So we are eligible. You can see that it is up there, but this must be in an eligible country. Do you get it? So the first thing you need to do is to build this content. So once you build your content and you have a lot of followers, you'll be able to, Facebook will be able to recommend stars for you. Once they recommend these stars for you, it gives your audience who are watching your products, who are seeing the products you are, maybe you are a comedian or you are a content creator, you post, you do videos on things, people who, those who are watching it, Facebook will give you a star on your video. So if those people watching it, or if people want to go for that product, let's assume you are selling product now. Let me personalize it. Let's assume you are selling products. People have purchased this product and they like the product. So if they want to keep encouraging you to do that, all they want to do is to click on star above that content. So they will just pay you directly, and the money will go directly to your Facebook dashboard. Do you get it? So that is how to switch on professional dashboard. And if you want to know and learn completely on how this work, so just find your way to my DM, or you comment or you message this number on the screen right now. So if you want to go back to your normal Facebook profile, if you don't want this professional dashboard again, it's as very, very simple. Just follow the prompts that you use to turn this on. Click on this icon here, then you can see turn off professional mode. So your Facebook profile will go back to the same thing. Do you get it? So the next thing I'll be talking on is how you can run a successfully advert on Facebook. This will cover how you can also make money on Facebook. This is a first way to make money on Facebook now, and how you are going to run adverts on Facebook as a pro. Secondly, it recovers how you can target the right audience for what you are selling. You know, some people get to mess things up these days when they just run adverts and just all they do is to put money, waste their money on adverts, and they won't see a result. No, there is way to do it now, which I'll be breaking down in my next video. So all what I want you to do is just to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if you want to learn this, is a course, though is a course, but I can just give you for a token, and I'll share the video with you. Do you get it? So just find your way to my DM. I've already explained what this video is going to look like. I will explain into details how you can run a advert on as a pro on Facebook, then how you can target a market, how you can target a specific people for your products. This product will not be showing to all people on Facebook, but those people that Facebook has seen their activities before. Let's assume there is these people that is in need of what do I use as an example now? that they are in need of necklace. They normally search for necklace on Facebook and all that, and you are running a advert concerning a necklace. These are the type of people Facebook will push that advert to. It is called target audience. You are targeting them. And secondly, Facebook is going to, in this what I'll be teaching you how to narrow your audience. Facebook will push your advert to those people who are likely to buy them, who are likely to take actions. So this is what we are going to be discussing in the next video. I need you to stay tuned and comment if this video has helped you in one way or the other. Kindly loved, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video.